All right, now it's time to watch me work. So, what I'm going to be doing today is I will be doing the first half of the Project Grader A4P1, which is entitled Web Vision Create a Report and Change Properties. The description states the Information Technology Department at WebVision wants to provide computer inventory reports to the management team. You have been asked to create a report that cross-refers application names and prices to users and their locations. You decide to use the report wizard to get you started, but then you make several modifications to make the report easier to read. So basically, in short, what we're going to be doing is creating a report file where we're taking the data and information from two types of tables and we're basically merging them together. So I've gone ahead and I've done steps 1 and steps 2 of this project, which was to download the Project Grader file and to change its name from A4P1 start to A4P1 submission. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and create that file, which we're going to do by clicking create. We're going to go here to reports and we're going to go ahead and click report wizards. And so we're going to add all the fields from the usernames table. And so in order to do that, will you go ahead under tables and queries, click that drop down button and click table usernames. And so in order to move all the information from the available fields into the selected fields, we have two buttons here. So we have one arrow and then we have a button with two double arrows and they both point to the right. When you click the double arrow that points to the right, that's how you get all of the information over. And so then what we're going to go ahead and do is we're going to go back to that drop down here and we are going to go into the software table, where we're going to go ahead and click application name and we're going to press that one button to the right to get that, and we're also going to go ahead and get the price. We're going to go ahead and click next. And so what we're going to do is we're going to choose to view this data by software. And we're going to click next. Now, this is the part that kind of tripped me up, because what I was doing was I would click application name and I click next. And then so the next set of instructions tells you to view the records in descending order by price and then set the summary options. So I'll click descend and click price, but there was no summary options, as you could see when you click next. And so what I realized was here at this point, I did not bring over to view the groups as price. So, and that's something that's extremely important when doing data or even doing the type of work that we will be doing, is paying attention to the details, because the details make the hugest of differences. And so I go ahead and I click next, and when I click descending, and I'm sorry, see, I messed up because it wasn't by price, it was by application name. See that? So I let you guys see my flaw. So I went ahead and I just moved price back into the grouping levels options, and I put the correct one, which is application name. Then when I click next, we can see the summary options here. So I'm going to click to go ahead and show it descending and by price. Click summary options. And how would I like the values to be calculated? We're going to go ahead and do it by sum. And we're going to go ahead and simply click OK. And then moving onward to the fifth wizard screen, it's going to ask us about the layout. So I'm going to go ahead and click outline. And then we're going to keep the orientation as it has it, which is by portrait. And I'm going to go ahead and click next. And then the final thing that we're going to do to end the first half of this segment is to go ahead and rename the report from software to user and price by application. And then we're going to click finish and let's see the results. Yes, I want to replace it. I had already done this before, guys. And voila. And there you have it. Thanks for watching me work.